Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Wondering if your PayPal account is verified? In this video, I will show you exactly how to check your verification status and what to do if it's not. Step by step. In 2025, being verified on PayPal removes limits, boosts security, and builds trust. Without it, you may face sending limit, account holds, or restrictions on receiving payments. First of all, log into your PayPal account using the app or desktop. Make sure you are on the official website like paypal.com to avoid phishing scams. Once logged in, click on the settings gear icon from your profile. Select profile settings. Now you will see your basic information here. Scroll down to see if it says account status. Like verified. If it doesn't, you will likely see prompts asking you to link and confirm a bank account or card. To get verified, link a bank account or debit card. PayPal will send two small deposits to your account. Enter the exact amounts back into PayPal to confirm. Once confirmed, your account will show as verified. In some countries, PayPal may ask for identity documents as part of KYC. Then update your two-factor verification code verification with your phone number. Then add security questions for extra security. Then click personal information. Now update your phone number. Click update. Then add new. Then phone type mobile. And select your country. From here, enter your phone number, then click add number. Then verify your mobile number with one-time passcode. Using mobile, tap your profile photo, go to settings, then account information, and check for verification status under account type or linked accounts. So that's it. Now you know how to check and verify your PayPal account if in 2025. Like, share, or comment if you need help with linking cards or solving PayPal errors. Now, then subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.